residents of Bangsamoro, I'm referring to all those here in Bangsamoro region, that as mentioned by the chairman earlier, we need to change the perception of the region na magulo pagdating ng eleksyon. So it's up to us now to really show our country, our countrymen, that peace can be attained here. And this election, barangay and SK election, is a democratic process. And if this succeeds peacefully, it will manifest that indeed this area is a peaceful area. Law enforcement entails everybody of us participate. Hindi lang yung law enforcement, yung law enforcement agent, but lahat tayo. Kung to-tolerate nyo, to-tolerate ng community na may ganon, paano malaman ng law enforcement? Yun naman ang kadalasan tinotolerate, walang nagsasabi. Isumbong nyo, i-blatter natin ang proseso, yung tama, and then we implement the law enforcement process.
All right, thank you.
Here is, if personal interests ang papasukin lagi ng bawat isa sa atin, hindi natin bibigyan ng tugon yung karamihan. Ito yung number one. Kaya nga po yung pagtutulong-tulong po natin sa security sector, sa business sector, mga employees na involved, lahat dito, kailangan po natin magtulong-tulungan. Security challenges arises pag pinapabayaan natin manaig ang karahasan. Okay. But if we will work together to prevent it, work together, ibig sabihin tayo lahat, pag may nakita kayo na may gantong kilos, ipaabot nyo kagad sa otoridad. Pag may nakikita kayo na gantong plano, paabot nyo kagad sa otoridad, at para mabigyan ng tamang aksyon. Kasi napakahirap po maging reaksyon. Ibig sabihin, pag may nangyari na, doon pa lang tayo mag-uusap. Ang napakahirap po na sitwasyon yan dito, sa region dito, pag ang action natin ay pag may nangyari na. So mas maganda po, bago pa po mangyari ang mga karahasan, nakikita naman natin mga indicators. We have to work together to solve this. Actually, this is, sabi nga natin dito, this should be apolitical. Okay? This is the pinakamababa po na democratic process natin, and higher politics should be out. But we know the dynamics. We know the dynamics of society. But it's all up to us, na sa atin, yung taga dito, kung paano ma-prevent. Yung threat of ideology, let's say yung malalalim na security concern, hindi ito talagang nakaka-apekto sa baba. Okay? Kasi mababa to para maapektuhan. But it's still up to us. Ginagamit natin minsan yon as a reason, let's say, influensya ng ganito. Pero kung tutusin, if you look at the dynamics of the conflict, minsan personal yan Minsan away ng pamilya, na may political inclination. So, nakikita naman natin. Sabi nga dito sa level nito, masyadong grounded, kilala natin kung sino yung mag-aaway, kilala natin kung ano yung magiging dahilan, at pwede natin anticipate. Yun lang po.